Welcome to the channel. Ever wonder how AI can create stunning videos from scratch? No actors, no cameras, just algorithms. Today we will explore awesome video diffusion. A GitHub project that's your ultimate gateway to this repository is packed with the best tools and resources for AI-powered video generation. From text to video tools to video in painting, this project connects you to the future of video creation. And the best part, you can start experimenting today with just a few lines of code. So let's dive in. But first, what is the video diffusion? Let's break it down. Video diffusion models are AI systems designed to generate or enhance videos using a technique called diffusion. At their core, they are built on a simple yet powerful concept: transformation through iteration. Here's how it works. The process starts with a video frame that's nothing but the noise. Imagine a TV screen showing static. Then, step by step, the model refines that noise, making small adjustments at each iteration to bring out meaningful details, shapes, and eventually a fully realistic video. Think of it like a sculpture working on a block of marble. At first, it looks like nothing, just a raw block, but with every careful chisel and polish, the sculpture takes form. That's exactly what these AI models do. They start with randomness and refine it into something visually stunning. But there is more to the magic. Diffusion models don't just guess how the video should look. They are trained on a vast data sets of real videos, learning patterns like motion, color, and texture. This training allows them to generate frames that feel natural, whether it's a calm ocean wave or a bustling city at night. And here is the best part. Diffusion isn't limited to creating videos from scratch. It can also transform existing ones. Want to remove objects, restore old footage, or add a creative flair? Video diffusion models have you covered. They are reshaping the boundaries of creativity in media production. Okay, so now let's move on into the running a text-to-video model. So let's see how we can run the text-to-video diffusion model in just a few steps using the awesome video diffusion resources. We'll use a popular text-to-video tool from the repository. First, clone the repository and install the necessary dependencies. After cloning the repo, navigate in and install the required Python libraries. Now let's run a demo script for generating video from text. Okay, so in this example, we use the text-to-video class. You simply pass your prompt like a sunset over a serene beach, and the model generates the video for you. The result is saved as generate_video.mp4. Okay, and then what you can do next is that you can customize the output. You can also customize the output by tweaking parameters like resolution, frame, or saved values for consistency. Here we set the resolution to 512 by 512 pixels, limited the output to 30 frames, and fixed a random seed for reproducibility. This gives you more control over the generated video. Okay, now what we can move on to is exploring video in painting. That's the next step. So let's use diffusion models for video in painting, essentially filming and missing parts or removing unwanted elements from a video. First, let's prepare the environment. Once installed, you can load a pre-installed model and pass in mask video where all areas to be edited are backed out. Okay, the video in painting class takes two inputs: the original video and the mask. It seamlessly fills in the mask areas, whether you are removing object or restoring damaged sections. And why is that really even matters? These tools aren't just for fun. They are revolutionizing industries. Filmmakers can prototype scenes in minutes. Game developers can generate immersive environments effortlessly. And educators can create engaging visuals for their lessons. So ready to try it out? Head to the awesome video diffusion GitHub page linked below, experiment with these tools, share your creation, and let me know in the comments how you are using AI for video creation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI-powered insights. Thank you very much for watching.